How to make iPhone vibrate even in silent mode. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and scroll down and you will see the option for sounds and haptics. Tap on that and then go ahead and tap on the haptics option you see there, and here if you have selected don't play in silent mode or never play, then go ahead and select the option for always play or play in silent mode. If you select always play, haptics will play when iPhone rings or receives an alert, and if you play in silent mode, then haptics will play when iPhone rings or receives an alert even when it is in silent mode. So this was about how you can make your iPhone vibrate even in silent mode. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.